Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is me, your English instructor Muhammad Hasnain, once again with all of you people. Today we are going to be doing the part 4th of one of our most informative, one of the most enjoyable, or what is the definition of infotainment for me in English grammar, modal verbs. Of course, the most easiest topics that we find out. We are going to be talking about will versus would. So first of all, I'm very thankful for you people that you give me such good feedbacks on my last video, and I was a bit sorry for the last time, like I did said this, that I'm a bit sorry because like I was a bit late. So those things aside, so first of all, what is will and what is would? Will means क्या? Will you do this for me? क्या आप ये मेरे लिए कर सकते हैं? क्या आप मेरे साथ जा सकते हैं? क्या आपको मेरे साथ जाना है? You will go with me. आपको मेरे साथ जाना पड़ेगा. अभी इसके बहुत से मायने हैं, इसकी बहुत से ट्रांसलेशन हैं, इस्तेमालात हैं, यूसेजेस हैं, एग्जाम्पल्स हैं. अभी वुड जो है इसका वो एक दूसरा फॉर्म हम इसे कह सकते हैं. Would you go with me? You would go with me. But would is actually one that gives you two options. So we will not just get into it so shortly. I will explain everything in detail. Now what is will? Will is actually usually used for offerings, but usually obligations, prohibitions, etc. You will never go to my room, will you? You will go to your school. Will you give me the glass of water or should I come? It is usually used for even warnings, etc. You can use it for multiple purposes. Offerings. Will you go with me for a cup of tea? Will you go with me for a cup of coffee? It is also used for request. Will you come with me for a moment? Will you give me the glass of water? It is also used for questions and answers. Will you come with me? Will you help me? It is also used for multiple reasons, like as I told you people, questions. Will you come with me? Yes, I will come with you. No, I won't come with you. Like it can be used for multiple reasons. Now what is would? Would actually means kya. Kya. They are the same thing in Urdu. Like meaning same है, meaning क्या की तरह ही है. Like जो हमें इससे meaning आती है क्या की तरह ही है, दोनों की meaning क्या ही नहीं है, but वो जो हमें जो लर्निंग होती है वो क्या है. बट इंग्लिश में इसका बहुत डिफरेंट है. ये जो है हमारे लिए ऑब्लिगेशन, ये जो है थोड़ा सा पावरफुल है, और ये पावरफुल होने के साथ साथ फॉर्मल नहीं है. मेरी एक आदत है, जब मैं ये मॉडल वर्ब्स आप सबके सामने लेकर आता हूँ, व्हेन आई टेक दिस मॉडल वर्ब्स इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू पीपल, सो आई पुट वन स्ट्रॉन्ग informal and one formal but weak modal verbs in front of each other that resemble each other, like will versus would, can versus could, must versus have to, that resemble in meaning, that resemble in understanding, understandment, or that resemble, for example, in statement. Now would is actually giving you options of opinions. You can give your opinion, you can give your option. Would you like a cup of tea? You can say no, you can say yes. But if you are saying you will go with me, so you have to go, because if you don't, you know what is gonna happen. But in both of them, you are given the chance, you are given the choice, that if you want yes, if you don't want no. Simple. You are given the chance. But the thing is that will is more stronger. So when you want to emphasize something, or if you want to show someone that you really want that thing or you really need that thing, so you will say, will you go with me? Would is actually just formal, more formal or more friendly. Now a teacher will say, come with me, or will you come with me? Will you participate? Will you come for tomorrow's tour? Will you do your homework? Will you come for tomorrow's test? A friend would say, would you come tomorrow? Would you give me a glass of water? Would is usually used for possibilities too. It is also used for a lot of requests, a lot of offers. For example, would you like a cup of tea? Offer. Would you go with me? Request. Would you come with me, please? This is the more requesty request, or we can say more request or more please वाली request. जिस तरह हम उर्दू में बोलते हैं, क्या आप मेरे साथ आ सकते हैं, please. So like वो please वाली request है ये. This is more like powerful request. It is usually used for like formal request from seniors, elders, senior, या आपसे जो rank में ऊपर हो, आपसे जो authorities हो, उनसे बात करने के लिए would use किया जाता है. And meanwhile, if you're talking to a minority or if you're talking to a person who's your level or under your level, you can talk with will. Will you go with me to the party? If you're with your friends, you can say, would you like to go in a party with me? You can say that. But usually people like to say will with men, like when they're talking to their male friend. Will you go to the party with me? And usually girls talk to each other with would. Would you go to the party with me tomorrow? Girls say would, men say will. I don't know how does that work, but it is like a fact I give you people. I hope you people like that fact. It wasn't having anything to do with this topic. But will and would has the same meaning. But this is strong, not formal. It is formal, but not that much. Like this is that ittu wala formal. And this is actually very strong. It is actually very solid that when you're saying this. And would shows a lot of respect. Would is used for showing respect a lot, or showing the formal, or showing that you're formal to a person. You use would for it. So I hope you people understood our today's lecture. It was very easy, but I just longed it a bit so that you people can understand more about it. I hope you people understood it. Thank you so much for being with me. This is all. Thank you so much, and Allah Hafiz.